Hello friends and welcome again. Uh, it's a new session where we are exploring the Azure portal shortcuts. So every day we are working and dealing with the portal of the Azure, but have you tried what are the shortcuts are there and how we can utilize that shortcuts to increase our productivity and move here and there. So there are a couple of shortcuts are there on Azure portal. Some shortcuts, those are for the actionable shortcuts, and some are the go to the shortcuts where we can directly go on that particular blades, or you can say the category of the resources on Azure. So let's explore those options so that we will be able to utilize these shortcuts in our day-to-day activity where whenever we want to work with the Azure portal. So I am moving on the Azure portal. Okay, now I am on the Azure portal, and if I want to search some resources on this particular global research panel, and I am here, then if I want to directly blink my cursor on there, so you need to press G and front slash on your keyboard, so your cursor will be appear here where you can type for the resource. Okay, this is the one. So the shortcut is G plus your front slash. The next shortcut, if you want to consider that this is your particular blades and you have pin mark your favorites items here that's belong to that particular resource type. Consider that I'm working here on this particular page, and if I want to go on the resource group, I want to check how many resource group I have. So in that case, what I will do, I will just click on a keyboard G, and whatever the number of this particular resource group in the favorite item, it's on the number 2. So if I type G and 2, so I will be on the resource group. Similarly, now I am the resource group, and if I want to go on to the storage account, so it's on the number what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 number. Okay, if I press G plus 9, so I will be on the storage account. So according to that, you can move here and there using the shortcuts, so that will be helpful for your day-to-day activity. Consider that you have configured your dashboard. Okay, and if you want to go on a dashboard from when you are working on the storage account, and suddenly you want to check the dashboard, so you just need to press the G button, G plus D, G and D. So you will be move on to the dashboard so that you can leverage the whatever the things that you have pinned here on the dashboard, so you can watch those items. Even we have one more shortcuts for the resource group. If you type as on the same time G and R, you will be move on to the resource groups. The same and G plus A, if you type on a keyboard like G and A, so you will be able to find out all the resources those are available on the Azure. So you might be thinking like where I will get the more shortcuts mentioned from the Azure. So it's simple. If you are on login in your Azure account, if you see here this help button, you just need to click here and you will get the keyboard shortcuts here. So once you click here, you will get all the keyboards of shortcuts here. Even for the more shortcuts, those are belongs to your particular services. So you just go through the Azure documentation page, and you will able to find out the more shortcuts. Those are useful for you whenever you are using any application. Even if you want to search for those shortcuts, so these are the Microsoft documentation page where you will get these shortcuts like G plus N to navigate through the new resource, to create the new resource and other things. So definitely I will give this particular link in the description box so that you can easily go through all these shortcuts. Those are noted here on the Microsoft site. so that you will be able to work with, and you can create your own self-listed shortcuts also. So that's it for this lesson, guys. I hope it will be helpful for your day-to-day activity and improve your productivity while using this shortcuts button. So thank you so much for being with me. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.